this is our room for 2 nights at Villa Kiki. So, little study place. And there is all these closets, safe. And of course, there's a bathtub. I've been trying to fly the drone over this place earlier on, and it was a bit cloudy, so I didn't get a very good view. Now with this villa, the view is just stunning.
Lui, il nous avait préparé à manger. On fait de la luge.
Oh mon Dieu.
Pas trop d'essence la descente. Après je tournerai à droite, c'est ça?
Ouais, la prochaine. Que le soir, bah y a rien. Donc ils ramènent leur couteau et leur fourchette. So we are at restaurant Plume to get some food to take away. And Nico WhatsApped them like half an hour ago so that we can just pick it up.
Bah, c'est bien que tu sois venu, Charles, parce qu'il va falloir le porter. Viens pendant que c'est chaud, s'il te plaît.
We got our dinner.
Tu vois, c'est tout chaud.
This is what we got for dinner. I think Nico ordered some grilled fish, some rice, shrimps, salad. Is it a candlelight dinner?
Hey boy with the pretty face, I'd like to ask you how you do it. Like your taste. I think maybe we go but my opinion really got me thinking. If I could travel into outer space, I think I'd take you with me for the day. We look down at the land of blue and green. Stars around us start to bleed. It's a trip into the beyond.
Good morning, Nico. Did you sleep well? Okay, you need your coffee. Huh?
Have you ever been beaten by this animal?
What's that?
Yeah, I found one, but I just wondered. It's okay. I kicked it out. Kicked him out of the room. But is it dangerous?
Not too dangerous, but small bite, yes.
Small bites, yes.
Yeah. You know it's because it's raining.
Yeah.
And they
A lot.
yeah. That's why we're closing tomorrow for us to spray.
Oh, okay.
We're closing for 1 week, yeah.
For
us
1
to
week?
spray, yeah. We have to spray every month.
Really? So when was the last spray?
It was 19 March.
So you really need to close everything
Yeah.
when...
Yeah, because of the smell.
Oh, that smells.
Yeah.
The mosquitoes?
No, the spray.
Ah, okay, I got it.
Yeah, we have to spray every month.
The smell. But,
So you see, you just study it.
yeah. I threw it away and it disappeared. But I didn't get bitten.
That's good.
Yeah.
But yeah, she told me it can be dangerous and can bite hard.
Right here.
You never get bitten here?
No,
No?
no. But you've seen them passing
Do you see snakes?
outside. Snakes very rare.
Okay.
Okay.
But lizard, we've got lots of lizard.
And monkeys?
No, no monkeys.
Okay. And the parrots?
No, no,
Bears?
no.
Polar bears?
Nothing.
Tigers?
We've got only bats.
Bats, if it's
Small birds,
really.
pigeon.
Panthers?
No,
No. The buffaloes?
no.
Lions?
No, we've never seen it.
Elephants?
Maybe one day we'll go to another country. We'll see
Hopefully not. How long have you been working here for?
for 2 years now.
2 years. It's great. Nice place.
The place is very nice.
I can't believe they make it close for 1 week every month.
Yeah. Now
Wow.
to spray. Yeah. Now it's time to spray.
You get to see more people these days coming back to
Yes,
Seychelles?
yes. After 1 year closed,
Yeah,
and now back to work.
that's good.
Yeah, good.
It'd be, it'd be
So
nice.
what did you do during COVID time last year?
Just sit there reading books or go to the beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Which beach is your favorite?
In the southwest here at Petit Anse. You know
Petite Anse.
Petite
I saw
Anse?
it on the map.
Petit Anse.
Petite Anse.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you.